Well, good morning. Wednesday maybe? I don't know. Definite different feel to things today. We have a foggy morning at the beach.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world. On Main Street, USA. Every city, every place.
And so from the corner of the green out front, we can look up and see our window in the left side of that arch up top. I'd have to tell you, this is pretty typical for what we've seen here at the resort. A lot of the place to yourself, even though they say they're at 86% capacity. They say it always feels kind of empty even when it's at 100% capacity, which is awesome. So I'm gonna leave my shoes here since they're not much use on the beach. I just hope this is an okay place to do it, because there's no real precedent for me to leave my shoes here rather than somewhere else. Metal detector dude. And people dudes. So do they actually have all this stuff? I haven't seen it. I see a couple of kayaks and stuff like that, but jet skis? Where the heck do they? I got a winch to get one out, and they have a what used to be beach under a storage shed, which is now just thrown up underneath here. So standing down just above the high water line at the moment, looking back up at these cottages that 58 points a night to something really heinous on the high end. You can see them. I'm sure that one's got a nice view from its upper level there. I think the lower levels are going to be pretty well behind the sea grape mangrovey type stuff. You know, they're all right up there on the as close to the edge as you can get. And seriously, this is one of the most tedious beaches I've ever walked on. Look at how soft the sand is there. Look at how soft it is there. Got this like 2 foot wide. Like a 2 foot wide area here to walk on, and that's about it.
So we are venturing out today. So today's plan is we're actually finally
changing rapidly. We're on plan 3 for the day already.
No, just route 3. Kind of.
That's plan 3.
Okay. So yesterday we didn't go anywhere. We stayed at the resort the whole day. So today we're venturing out. And after our 3rd night, we're finally going into the city of Vero Beach.
Now that we know where it is.
Yeah, at first we just kind of went on our own. It's like, where the heck is it? And finally we've like looked at travel literature and maps and that type of thing, and we know where it is now.
It is weird. It's like, if you want to know where things are, those maps are so helpful. They're great little things.
So we're changing up our dining plan. You know how we have been like eating leftovers, that type of thing, snacks, whatever, for lunch, and then we eat out at dinner. We're doing the opposite today, and we're gonna find a restaurant in Vero Beach to have lunch after doing some other things.
And we are not going to take any leftovers at all, because they will sit in a warm car all day and ferment. So she's gonna have to actually eat her whole lunch today. So
yeah.
More on that later.
And then we will end up going to a really cool treasure museum that has to do with the 1715 fleet. And then we're back to the Pelican Refuge to see what we missed the other day when we went. Well, looky here. The first thing we come across is a very tiny looking TJMAXX. That means, what does that mean, honey?
That means that the whole we're gonna eat at local places we've never been to and stuff like that thing doesn't apply to.
Let's go Rae Dunn Hunting.
Yeah. Kind of like pin trading. I am here to officially declare Rae Dunn Hunting as a subculture.
First place we're gonna check out for lunch is called First Watch. Tom has a story.
It's a Florida breakfasty restaurant that I used to like to go to when I lived in Florida.
And he hasn't been to one in a while. I've never been to one because it's a breakfast place.
And it's in Florida.
And it's in Florida. So,
and it does not say Disney in front of it, so that kind of eliminates it from her repertoire.
Alright, looks like we're a go. When we pulled up, it looked like there was a line out the door, but maybe that was for people picking up their food. Oh my gosh. So they have Uber Eats, Dash Door, First Google Orders, and Curbside. So this is a non-mammal eating person's dream. There's so many options here and a lot of vegetarian options.
And they do have like real live awesome bacon here too.
This is just like, there are like 4 different things I would really like to try. And it's making the decision really hard. I'm so pumped about Tom getting the sausage and gravy because it's actually turkey sausage. And I never get to have biscuits and gravy because it's always pork sausage. So it looks really good. I got the chicken egg tacos with black beans. So this is a first. I've never had anything like this. A piece of chicken fell out. So this way, which is nice because I can kind of give you a close-up of what the chicken looks like. Okay, we turned around like twice so that we could get back to this area. It's 14th Avenue. And there are so many like retro buildings and so many other cool buildings that it was like, okay, we have to, Tom says, don't vlog while you're crossing the street. Ooh, 14th Avenue is the
for our younger viewers.
historic avenue, home of Downtown Friday? Downtown Friday. It's interesting. Okay, this is so cool. Oh, wow, look at this.
That's just what they do here.
I know. But, yeah. Wow. This is pretty. And where are we? Why is this opened? A photography place has a door open. Oh my gosh, what is this? Why is there a statue of Marilyn Monroe? Ah, did you see that? Whatever it is, I can't get into it. I just tried. Use my card. Can you really go in there barefoot? I really want to know. Theater Apartments.
It looks welcoming.
And we have a night out here. Oh, what is this?
It's the Pueblo Arcade.
This is so cool. What is this? Well, that's a safe. This is so neat. Smells like chai, I guess because we're near a tea shop. Oh, that's the Plaza Theater. Like, ooh, look at the old water fountain. Oh, look at that facade. Oh look, I'm full of oh looks today. This is really cool. We got a real estate office, like a literal one-room real estate office. Ooh. This is his actual art studio. I like how he leaves his light on when he's not there. I love the iron here, the old mailboxes. And an alley. This is really cool. It's a shame that they don't have a plaque telling you exactly where this is from and what exactly it is. I mean, they got a light shining on it, but no description. Rotary International, 1905, 2005.
Well, it's okay. I don't know what it is.
So it just seemed we passed the daytime hangout for, I guess in a way might be able to say, homeless. Oh, this is the River Citrus Museum. I wanted to go here. And we just happened to stumble upon it. Not 1916, it's 1946.
1916, 1946. It's all...
Yeah. But they have been here a while. The Paint Doctor. And then I just noticed the underbelly of the turtle.
I've been all around the world, every city.